Hello friends, is your engine misfiring, running rough, or losing power? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows code P0310, it means cylinder 10 is misfiring. P0310 stands for cylinder 10 misfire detected. Your car's powertrain control module has detected that cylinder 10 is not firing correctly, leading to performance issues. Check engine light on, engine shaking or vibrating at idle, loss of power and sluggish acceleration, reduced fuel efficiency, strong fuel smell from exhaust, engine stalling or running rough. If you're noticing these issues, it's time to inspect the critical components of cylinder 10. To diagnose P0310, check these key locations. Cylinder 10 spark plug and ignition coil, located on top of cylinder 10 near the intake manifold or engine cover. Crankshaft position sensor, positioned near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel, crucial for ignition timing. Camshaft position sensor, found on the cylinder head, helps regulate ignition and fuel injection. Fuel injector for cylinder 10, mounted on the intake manifold near cylinder 10, controls fuel delivery. Mass airflow sensor, located between the air filter and throttle body, measures air intake. Throttle position sensor, found on the throttle body, regulates air intake. Oxygen sensor, positioned before and after the catalytic converter, monitors the air-fuel ratio. Vacuum hoses and intake manifold, located around the engine, responsible for proper air-fuel balance. A failure in any of these components can cause cylinder 10 misfire. Faulty or worn-out spark plug in cylinder 10. A weak spark can lead to incomplete combustion. Defective ignition coil in cylinder 10. A bad coil can fail to generate enough voltage for ignition. Clogged or failing fuel injector in cylinder 10. A dirty injector leads to improper fuel delivery. Low fuel pressure. A weak fuel pump or pressure regulator can reduce fuel supply. Vacuum leaks. A leak in the intake manifold or hoses disrupts air-fuel balance. Faulty mass airflow sensor. Incorrect air readings affect combustion. Crankshaft or camshaft position sensor malfunction. A faulty sensor disrupts ignition timing. Excessive carbon buildup. Deposits in cylinder 10 can block proper fuel flow. PCM or wiring issues. A damaged wiring harness or malfunctioning PCM can trigger a misfire. Step 1. Check and replace the spark plug and ignition coil for cylinder 10. Step 2. Inspect and clean the fuel injector for cylinder 10. Replace if necessary. Step 3. Measure fuel pressure to ensure the pump and regulator are functioning properly. Step 4. Scan and test the crankshaft position sensor and camshaft position sensor. Step 5. Look for vacuum leaks in hoses and the intake manifold. Step 6. Clean or replace the mass airflow sensor. Step 7. Check for a clogged catalytic converter or exhaust issues. Step 8. Clear the code and test drive the car to ensure the issue is resolved. Ignoring P0310 can lead to serious engine damage and costly repairs. Fixing it early ensures better performance, fuel efficiency, and engine longevity. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P02696, Injector Circuit High Cylinder 17 P0297, Engine Overspeed Condition. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.